Omo Senator Aaron Cheruiyot rit koria rero nigaboririe obomo bwa Azimio One Kenya kobali baga ike elio banyare kurigeria chimbinu gose munana kibanyare koba bagokeya ligori irio komenya asebo igo nigairaneirie abanyanyimbo abo barenge gokoria gasi ritko liegoro ekero okorobekana kwa obomo bwa Azimio One Kenya kwagendererete na kobatebi buna nigo bakorete egasi engiya asukurendera abanainchi gose abakenya obonchoreria bwabo tibonyareti koba bogosareka nabo igokoremereria nonya nekero barokeretigwe amang'ana mange amo na ababwatani bobomo bwa Azimio One Kenya.
I wish to plead with them that kindly allow the government of the daytime as we sort this issue for once and for all. Never again shall Kenyans blackmail for which he is rewarded after every election. This administration has said this is the final time, this shall never happen again. Secondly, I wish to join the rest of my colleagues in celebrating our police officers who, despite a lot of provocation from ODM goons, you saw police officers innocently standing in stifling hot sun, being hunted like dogs by ODM mandarins, but they kept their calm. They never shot anybody. They peacefully dispersed the crowds. We want to tell our police officers that is what we expect. The only challenge that we want to give to the police is that those looters that are publicly known, those that have been captured on cameras, breaking up meetings, stoning people's vehicles, going into business premises, we want to see them arrested and arrested right now. The leaders that have been accompanying them into these demonstrations, they also need to be arrested and brought to book. But we celebrate the good work of our police officers. We know you're working under very difficult circumstances. It was not difficult for you to shoot some of the people that were clearly provoking you. But you kept your calm and you maintained peace and order and protected people's property. We celebrate you as our police officers. That is what we expect of you. We hope that we shall continue to hold firm despite all that intimidation and threats that is coming from the Azimio side.